How to log in on Pinterest or how to sign into your Pinterest account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in or sign in onto your Pinterest account. Now the process itself is quite simple. You can first go ahead and download the Pinterest application. You can easily get it on your Play Store or App Store depending on the device that you have, that is Android or iOS respectively. Now once you have downloaded it, you can simply go ahead and open up Pinterest. Once you open it up here, now let it load up. Once it loads up here, you can see you'll get the option to enter in your email address. Now you can see it's asking me to choose a saved sign-in, but I'll just cancel this. And now you can see, now there are three different options to sign in. You can simply tap and continue with Facebook, and even if you don't have an account, then it'll just link your account to Facebook account and then ask you to create and go ahead and through the prompt to just continue with the account. Similarly, if you already have an account, you can simply enter in your email address here, tap on continue. Then you want to enter in your password and tap login. Similarly, you can also choose to log in with Google account easily. And similarly, like if you choose to continue with Facebook, similarly, then if you choose the Google, then it'll ask you to choose an account. Once you choose an account, it'll ask for confirmation, and even if you don't have an account, it'll just log you in and create an account. So it's quite simple and easy. So let me guide it through. I'll just tap and continue with Facebook, and it will ask me particularly to confirm, and I can just tap and continue. Now I don't have an account here, so you can see it'll just take me in real quick, and I'm already signed in. So this is the way that you can easily log into Pinterest. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.